Welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tour of the Competitor Ad Activity Monitor template, your new secret weapon for winning the ad war. If you want to know exactly when and how your competitors are advertising, this is it. We start by hitting a custom Meta Ads link to scrape their current creatives. Then, we head over to Google, where our agent types the company name into the search bar, picks the right domain from the list, and grabs all the transparency data automatically. Let me explain the details. We search for the ads, and then focus on extracting the ad type and the total count. While the system allows us to view individual ad details, for this monitor, we primarily care about the overall volume and the ad type. After the meta search, we head to Google, where we select the correct domain and simply extract the corresponding ad data there as well. Now, let's take a quick look at the Run tab. As you can see, the agent is following the exact steps I explained earlier. It correctly navigates to the Meta Ads library using our custom link and then moves to the Google Ads Transparency Center. Let's jump into the n8n canvas. I've packed this scenario with sticky notes so you're never lost. You'll even find the exact BrowserAct template name right there. Everything kicks off with a Telegram trigger. First, we validate the user's input to make sure we're targeting the exact company they're looking for. Once the company is confirmed, the bot sends a quick notification to the user and immediately fires up the BrowserAct workflow to start the search. Setting up the BrowserAct node is a breeze. We just pass the extracted company name right into the node, and it handles it. The best part? You can grab the pre-configured workflow straight from the template marketplace. Now for the intelligence part, we feed everything BrowserAct found into our AI agent. It's trained to hunt for matches and analyze exactly how that company is running its ads. The AI doesn't just give you data. It provides expert recommendations on how to beat them. Thanks to structured output, your reports will always look professional and uniform. To close the loop, n8n grabs the chat ID from your first message and pings you back on Telegram with the full breakdown. As you can see, the final result is perfectly user-friendly. It doesn't just present raw numbers. It provides a strategic recommendation on whether you should launch ads to compete, how many you should run, and the optimal timing to do so. This level of insight allows you to make data-driven decisions that maximize your budget and impact. Thank you all for watching.